वीर सपूत हम भारत माँ के तूफान उठा देंगे। भारत माँ की रक्षा के खातिर दिलो जान लुटा देंगे। धरती इसकी वतन हमारा, माटी इसकी तिलक हमारा। इस माटी की खातिर हम सब खुद की पहचान मिटा देंगे। भारतीय सैनिकों को समर्पित यह पंक्तियां उन्हें पूर्णतः परिभाषित करती हैं। यूं तो भारतीय सेना किसी परिचय की मोहताज नहीं, लेकिन इनके शौर्य, पराक्रम व बलिदान ने हमेशा ही देश का मान बढ़ाया है। तो इसी जोशो हौसले के साक्षी बनने के लिए हम हैं भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी में, जहां आज आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के 116वें दीक्षांत समारोह का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। तो आइए चलते हैं समारोह में। भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी में आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के दीक्षांत समारोह का आयोजन किया गया। आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के 116वें समारोह में 31 कैडेट्स को जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री से नवाजा गया। आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज विंग के कमांडर ब्रिगेडियर शैलेश सती ने अपने संबोधन में कोर्स के दौरान कैडेट्स द्वारा प्रदर्शित प्रतिबद्धता और निष्ठा को सराहा। साथ ही कोविड बाधाओं के चलते उनके उत्कृष्ट संपूर्ण प्रदर्शन की सराहना भी की।
Today, 31 cadets of 116th course will graduate. They represent the best soldiers of a great army. Today, in honoring them, we celebrate their commitment and dedication. They will join the rank of Indian Military Academy as gentlemen cadets, taking their place they have earned. After 3 years at the ACC wing, they understand our motto, Kartavya Sarvottam, duty is supreme. They understand what it means to lead men, living by a moral code regardless of who's watching, knowing that our conscience guides us to tread the path of honor and righteousness. I, along with my team, am supremely confident that they will carry with pride the resolution to follow the traditions and legacy of selfless service of our alma mater. We shall watch them in their journey ahead with pride as they shine like beacons of courage, character and virtue for their comrades under training here and for future generations to emulate.
आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज विंग के प्रधानाध्यापक डॉक्टर नवीन कुमार ने अपने संबोधन में कॉलेज रिपोर्ट प्रदर्शित करते हुए कैडेट्स के सर्वोत्तम स्तर व उनकी प्रशंसनीय अकादमिक प्रदर्शन की सराहना की।
The curriculum of the college has been designed as per the requirement of armed forces in view. We lay emphasis on core military competence and value-based education in modern environment by striking a fine balance between academics and military training. Academics help the cadets to develop their power of expression, logical thinking, analytical approach, language skill, and to draw lessons from history, whereas military training teaches the cadets about the science of warfare and orientates them towards the survival tactics and the development of self-reliance. We also give due attention to the emotional health of the cadets by an active involvement of psychologists in the training, which turn into good physical and mental health of the cadets. Taking into account the growing complexities of the present-day warfare and future challenges, we keep our cadets abreast with the relevant issues and latest trend in the contemporary world, so that gradually they may emerge as fine military leaders, contributing not only to the safety and security of the motherland, but also to the development of the nation.
भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी के कमांडेंट लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल हरिंदर सिंह द्वारा आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के इन 31 कैडेट्स को जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी की उपाधि व मेडल्स प्रदान किए गए। उपाधि प्राप्त करने वालों में 11 साइंस व 20 ह्यूमैनिटी से स्नातक बने।
प्लेटून कैडेट कैप्टन राकेश सरन, कैडेट अनिकेत कुमार, कंपनी कैडेट कैप्टन अनमोल गुरु, विंग कैडेट एडजुटेंट साहिल ठाकुर, कैडेट अर्जुन दास के, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर पवार प्रतीश उत्तम, कंपनी सार्जेंट मेजर अखिल एमजे, कैडेट अनुज, कैडेट संदीप बिष्ट, कंपनी क्वार्टर मास्टर सार्जेंट अनुभव लामा, प्लेटून कैडेट कैप्टन मुठे योगेश, प्लेटून कैडेट कैप्टन सुरेंद्र सिंह, कंपनी कैडेट कैप्टन नितेश गुरु, कैडेट भरत सिंह, प्लेटून कैडेट कैप्टन भरत सिंह, कैडेट नवीन कुमार, कैडेट जितेंद्र कुमार सिंह, प्लेटून कैडेट कैप्टन राहुल प्रकाश, now the award of degrees for the Bachelor of Science in the order of merit. Platoon Cadet Captain Sahil Verma, Cadet R Kamal, Company Quartermaster Sergeant Bhupendra Yadav, Company Sergeant Major Satyendra Kumar, Company Cadet Captain Dharmendra Kumar, Platoon Cadet Captain Amrit Varukar, Cadet Shantanu Tiwari, Platoon Cadet Captain Aditya Janikar, Cadet Ankit Kumar Chauhan, Platoon Cadet Captain Gaurav Kumar Joshi,
समारोह के दौरान विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में उत्तम प्रदर्शन के लिए कैडेट्स को चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ मेडल व कमांडेंट सिल्वर मेडल प्रदान किए गए।
Now the medals and the prestigious championship banner. First, the award of Chief of Army Staff medals. The Chief of Army Staff bronze medal is awarded to the cadet who standing third in the overall order of merit. The medal is awarded to Wing Cadet Adjutant Sahil Thakur. The Chief of Army Staff Silver Medal is awarded to the cadet who standing second in the overall order of merit. The medal is awarded to Wing Cadet Quartermaster Satbir Singh. The Chief of Army Staff Gold Medal is awarded to the cadet who standing first in the overall order of merit. The medal is awarded to Wing Cadet Captain Atin Thapa. Now the award of the Kamdan Silver Medal. Kamdan Silver Medal awarded to the cadet for standing first in service training. The medal is awarded to Company Cadet Captain Anmol Gurung. Kamdan Silver Medal awarded to the cadet for standing first in the humanities stream. The medal is awarded to Company Quartermaster Sergeant Singh Atul Pratap. Kamdan Silver Medal awarded to the cadet for standing first in the science stream. The medal is awarded to Platoon Cadet Captain Sahil Verma. Now the award of the Kamdan's banner for Inter-Company Championship for Autumn Term 20.
समारोह के दौरान लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल हरिंदर सिंह द्वारा कमांडेंट्स बैनर आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज की कारगिल कंपनी को प्रदान किया गया। कारगिल कंपनी को यह बैनर लगातार छठी बार प्राप्त हुआ है। यह बैनर उस कंपनी को प्रदान किया जाता है जो कि खेल, अकादमिक, कैंप, वाद विवाद व आंतरिक अर्थव्यवस्था में सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन करती है। इसके बाद इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी कमांडेंट लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल हरिंदर सिंह ने अपने संबोधन में सभी कैडेट्स को 3 वर्षीय ट्रेनिंग पूर्ण करने की बधाई दी व साथ में यह भी कहा कि आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के कैडेट्स ने इतिहास में हमेशा अपने उत्कृष्ट कार्यों से संस्थान की शोभा बढ़ाई है।
You are worthy of this recognition after having completed 3 years of rigorous training at the Army Cadet College wing. Today, you have made your parents proud of what you have accomplished, and the Indian Army is indeed indebted to the parents of these cadets and are proud of the selfless service that they have endowed their sons with. I also congratulate you on becoming the proud graduates of the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru University. Majority of the officers present here, including myself, are an alumni of this very institution. The bachelor degree that you have been bestowed with represents a major milestone in your professional development and career path. The purpose of this 3-year academic program, which you all have successfully completed, is to establish the required intellectual foundation and develop the knowledge and skills necessary for growth of an officer in the Indian Army. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other, and I'm certain that you all will demonstrate this trait and desire to pursue progressive and continued intellectual development independently. Always remember that learning is not a one-time activity or an event. Future leaders must recognize that the ability to constantly learn, innovate, and improve is vital for success in life and on one's career.
तो अभी हमारे साथ उपस्थित हैं भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी की जनसंपर्क अधिकारी। तो आइए उनसे जानते हैं आज के दीक्षांत समारोह के बारे में।
आज के इस दीक्षांत समारोह में हमारे एसीसी के कैडेट्स पास आउट हुए हैं। इन केस उनको ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री प्रदान की गई है एंड जिसमें 11 कैडेट साइंस स्ट्रीम के रहे हैं एंड 20 कैडेट ह्यूमैनिटीज स्ट्रीम के रहे हैं। और कमांडेंट आईएमए ने आज की इस सेरेमनी को प्रिसाइड ओवर किया है। हमने इनको ट्रेनिंग में कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स, कोविड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के बावजूद हमने इनकी ट्रेनिंग में कोई कमी नहीं आने दी है एंड ये ट्रेनिंग करते हुए ये लोग अब अपने देश को संभालने आगे जा रहे हैं।
आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के दीक्षांत समारोह के बाद आइए बात करते हैं मेडल विजेता कैडेट्स के साथ। अभी हमारे साथ हैं चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ गोल्ड मेडल विजेता अतिन थापा जी। तो आपको गोल्ड मेडल प्राप्त करके कैसा लग रहा है?
It was really a happy moment for me. I'm very happy for me and for my coursemates that we have successfully completed these 3 years of training all together. Okay. And now we are going in IMA and we are ready. We are full of confidence that after 1 year we will lead the troops and we will lead them and lead by the example. I'm also thankful to all platoon commander and to my company commanders who always motivated me, guided me to do well in my training. And I'm also thankful to all the instructors and the professors who guided me, who gave their knowledge and instructions. Because of that, it made these 3 years of training very easy.
सबसे पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं गोल्ड मेडल के लिए, और उसके साथ ही हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका 3 साल का सफ़र कैसा रहा?
It was full of adventures and training. It is full of challenging, I can say that, because here in ACC wing it consists of 6 terms in 3 years, and each term have its value, and the challenges and the degree of difficulties it goes on increasing when we move from first to 6th term. But whatever the foundation which have been set in the junior term, that helps a lot. I can say it's full. 3 years is full of adventurous, challenging, and it was learning phase. And I had the best moment in last 3 years.
तो आइए अब बात करते हैं चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ कांस्य पदक विजेता साहिल ठाकुर के साथ। और सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है आज?
It is a moment of proud for me, passing out 3 years from here, completing training wholly solely and with my course mates also. We all are going to IMA and we are excited and we'll prove a medal there also.
तो कैसा रहा अभी आपका 3 साल का सफ़र?
It was hectic, it was adventurous. Term by term, difficulty also increases. We also have to do much better in every term as responsibilities comes on our shoulder. So we have to prove to our juniors also. We have to look after them. We have to guide them in a right manner, on the right way. So it was really exciting and a learning part. And I'm proud that I have completed it safely with my course mates.
आपको आर्मी में आने के लिए इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली?
From the beginning, it was my father. He was also in army, and he was the only inspiring mode for me that I came into army. And after coming into unit, my parent unit, DSS, the officers in my parent unit, they also motivated me to come here.
आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज में कमांडेंस बैनर हासिल करना किसी गौरव से कम नहीं है, और इस बार 6ठी बार भी कारगिल कंपनी को यह गौरव हासिल हुआ है। हमारे साथ हैं कंपनी कैडेट कैप्टन अनमोल गुरुंग, जिनसे कि हम जानते हैं कमांडेंस बैनर के बारे में और कैसा रहा कारगिल कंपनी का सफ़र।
Command banner is given to the company who excel in all the events which are held in the term, like which includes all the sporting events like football, hockey, volleyball, and extracurricular activities like drama and debate, quiz competition, this all. And it also includes service trainings like camps which we go outside. So all this, while we perform good in all these events, we get the banner.
इस बार हमने देखा कि 6ठी बार भी कारगिल कंपनी को ही ये बैनर हासिल हो रहा है। ऐसा क्या है जो कारगिल कंपनी अलग करती है बाकी कंपनियों से?
It is the will to work of the cadets of the company, Kargilians, all the Kargilians, and secondly, will to win should be there. So this has resulted in this banner, and most importantly, the senior who has groomed us in such a manner to do good, always remain Josh type, is very important. It was very significant. And another significant aspect of our winning is the directing staff body, who are our platoon commanders and company commanders. They have put in very sincere effort on us.
तो आइए अब आपको मिलाते हैं एक ऐसे कैडेट से जिन्होंने बेस्ट इन साइंस स्ट्रीम का अवार्ड हासिल किया है। प्लेटून कैडेट कैप्टन साहिल वर्मा।
When I joined the ACC Army College wing, then I thought it can be my field. I can do good in this field. So right from my first term, I scored good CGPA. So I tried my best to achieve this medal. And in the successive terms, in the third term, I got fewer marks. I mean, the CGPA went down, but that was an inspiration for me. So I pulled it back and improved it to get the medal in the final term.
पिछले 3 साल के आपके एफर्ट्स कैसे रहे? कैसा सफ़र रहा आपका?
The journey was awesome. The best thing you learn here from the team camaraderie, being with your course mates and the events, it improves your horizon a lot. The being with your cadets, being with your course mates, and the training environment, training opportunities which are being provided to us, that improves you a lot. You can excel in each and every field.
Today I am feeling very happy because I got the award first in the arts. For that I work very hard, near about 3 years, and it is not easy task to work continuous 3 years to get any degree and any award. So today I am feeling very happy, and I want to give thanks to my family, to my course mate, and to my instructor and DS bodies who helped me a lot to achieve that target, and not the least CGO, Civil Gazetted Officer, who worked very hard with me, due to which I got that award.
साइंस स्ट्रीम पे आउट ऑफ मेरिट के आधार पे दूसरा स्थान प्राप्त करने वाले कैडेट से अब हम जानते हैं कि उनका अभी तक का सफर कैसा रहा।
I'm Cadet R. Kamal from Kargil Company. My experience was very good, and I feel quite privileged that I today passed out along with my course mates. Although I didn't came in first, but I'm happy that I was able to complete it, and I feel quite privileged and happy that because of the help which I got from my parents, my DS body, that I'm able to pass the training in the ACC wing. My message to the juniors is that never get bogged down because of any difficulties or any obstacles. Just keep moving ahead. Always stay motivated, and always the goal should be there in their mind. Always they should work towards it, and they should always strive for the excellence.
बुलंद ऊंचाइयों पे लहराते तिरंगे की प्राचीर हूं मैं, फख्र है तो बस इस बात का कि भारत का वीर हूं मैं। भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी में आज आर्मी कैडेट कॉलेज के 116वें दीक्षांत समारोह का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें कैडेट्स को डिग्री प्रदान की गई व कई कैडेट्स को मेडल से सम्मानित किया गया। एक सफर का अंत तो एक दूसरे सफर की शुरुआत भी है। हम आशा करते हैं कि हमारे ये भावी अफसर प्रशिक्षण पूर्ण करने के बाद देश सुरक्षा में अपना पूर्ण योगदान देंगे। तो डीडी उत्तराखंड की टीम को दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार।